Hi, hello, welcome to Food and Beyond. Hope you're all doing good. Today's recipe is very rich, creamy, and packed with 16 grams of protein. I'm sure you will love it. Come, let's get started. For this, you need 2 cups of high fat cottage cheese, 4 tablespoons of cacao powder, and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. In a food processor or a high speed blender, add all these three ingredients together and we are going to blend it together until smooth. I have used full fat cottage cheese because it gives a mousse a rich creamy texture and more flavor to it. I used the good culture one which blends super smooth and has very clean ingredients, so I prefer that. And also I have used a cacao powder instead of a cocoa powder because it's less processed, so I have used that. You can use any chocolate powder. And also for maple syrup as a sweetener I have used it, but you can use any type of sweetener like honey or agave syrup. While blending the ingredients, don't rush the blending. Just you want the mixture completely smooth so that there are no curdles left behind. Yeah, high speed blender or the food processor both will do the good job. So blend as long as you see no cottage cheese crumbs here and there. After blending, just taste it. If you want more chocolatey taste, then add more cacao powder, or if you want it sweet, then add more maple syrup. So once done, just transfer it into a glass container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. I topped it up with some berries and homemade granola. You can use any type of berries, strawberry or blueberry, raspberry, or any type of berries, or any fruit should be good. This cottage cheese chocolate mousse is rich, creamy, and packed with protein. Made with just 3 ingredients, it's a quick and healthy dessert that you will want to make on repeat mode. Try this recipe at your home and let me know how you like it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Next week we will see with another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Food and Beyond.